So recently, the Chief Justice of India, Supreme Court said the unemployed youth of this country is like a cockroach. So this man sitting here, he is 78 years old. He is a common person of this country, common man. He is also like a cockroach because he is a honest man, and every honest man is like a cockroach in this country. So you need to be a cheater, you need to be a crook to get some identity in this country. This man is living on rent. He sold his 1 crore property in 25 lakh rupees. He tried his best to get the justice from the judiciary, district courts, high court. He appealed in high court, but he did not get any relief from anywhere. He was hoping that he is having all the evidences. He never did any cheatings with anyone, and he will be able to defend his property. But nobody gave him any justice. Forget about the justice. The judges did not even bother to look at his case, to look at the age of the petitioner, 78. The judges did not even call upon once in the court that he would like to meet with the petitioner. Frustrated from the judiciary, frustrated from no justice from the judiciary, he sold his property in 25 lakhs, which was worth 1 crore. And this is a message to all the youth of this country, especially to the men, that there is no one who will hear your problems once you get stuck after the marriages, and police will not hear anything from your side. The judiciary will not give you any justice. Only and only that you will face is the suffering. So be careful when you get married. The laws of the country in this country is very poor. Senior Citizen Act 2005 2007 is very pathetic. There is no implementation on the ground. It's all the laws exist on the paper, but on the real there is no implementation, there is no execution on the ground. Judges come to the courts by 10 a.m. sharp. They go for their lunch breaks 1 p.m. sharp. They sit back 2 p.m. and they leave the judiciary by 5 p.m. So God knows what judges do in the courts, but there is a right example in front of you. There are other videos as well that he has been looking for justice. So his daughter-in-law really gave him a lot of pain, wrote the slogans on his property, and she was demanding property from him. And his elder son, his wife,